Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm with my friend Carlos. Hi Carlos.
How you doing, buddy?
He's visiting me from Michigan. We've been having fun all weekend. But today's the day he's gonna drive my McLaren 720S. He hasn't driven it yet.
Nope.
I wanna capture his reaction and his comments as an auto engineer driving my McLaren. But first I wanna thank our sponsor, Rolls-Royce Motor Cars of Raleigh. Come visit Rolls-Royce Motor Cars of Raleigh. They provide the Carolinas with a pristine collection of Rolls-Royce models and unforgettable service. From viewing to paperwork and financing, their exceptional team of professionals streamlines the experience for you so that every moment here is a world-class encounter. Their friendly personnel are experts in what they do, and they're happy to help. If you're in the Raleigh area, visit their showroom today and find a product that defines you. Here we are, Carlos.
Hello, hello.
We're about to head out, and you're gonna have 710 horsepower in your hand.
Sweet. Sweet. Let's see what happens.
Yeah. Talk to me.
Yeah, wow.
Are you having a moment?
That was a moment. The little hip, skip and hop, but the shift is so fast.
The shift is almost immediate, right?
Immediate. The torque is constant. The cow wants to take you away and just drag you. And it's just a lot to take in.
It's a lot to take in, I
A
know.
lot to take in.
And as a passenger, let me tell you, it's a lot to take in. Yes. Oh my God.
Freaking fantastic. A lot of words missing. All I can say is
So we're in sport mode. We got the active aero is on,
Yep.
and manual. So you wanted to shift. We're using your race box just to take some.
data.
Some data.
Slower speeds.
Yeah.
But
So we're in the highway, and then from here we're gonna go to some windy roads just to test the
Through
grippy
the suspension.
capabilities. Yeah. How it behaves, but yeah.
it's really, really, really nice how the car picks up the speed and wants to take you, you know. The
Right.
shifts are so fast. Very, very quick responding to the shifts.
Right.
That impresses me a lot, and how the car does. Hugging the road, feels like a go-kart on steroids. Direct response on the steering, very nimble, no lag whatsoever. Where you want it, you place it, it takes you there.
Oh,
That's a
ouch.
scene we don't want to be in. Yeah, my goodness.
Oh, that downshift.
I love the downshift.
Tell
I
me
love the-
how you like it in the windy roads.
It's a precision of the car. You point it, it gets placed like that. It's clinical, it's smooth,
It's clinical, right? That's the
It's-
way I describe it too.
it's precise. It's a,
It's a precision instrument. Yeah.
The bumps in the road are well absorbed, well managed. You move the car, you place it, it goes where you want it. It's very responsive.
And this is on lowering springs. It's lower like maybe half an inch.
This is just fantastic to drive. I mean, it's really a pleasure. Just focus, clean wheel, focus on the driving, no driver aids, no extra things around for you to play, radio control, none of that. This is just for people to drive. You got your shift right here. You can simplify the screen by flipping it down and just watch your RPM speed, and that's all you want to know.
Right.
Period. Besides that, it's like enjoy the road and the experience, and this is something everybody should experience at least once, I can tell you. And it'll be a tough time for him to get me out of this car. Maybe then we run out of gas or something.
I
But
don't know.
that's gonna have to be.
Let me tell
I
you.
mean, wouldn't you do the same thing? I would.
Yeah. Well,
I am.
it's terrifying in the passenger seat, but I trust.
not that
It
bad.
involves a lot of trust. Yeah.
but yeah. No,
But I don't know if I trust myself in the car, so you know.
Well,
we
you
might
gotta
as
start
well.
with trust.
Yeah.
I have the same issue. I have issues in the passenger seat, whoever's driving, and but I love it. I love so far. The experience driving the car has been something different I never had before. So
You're gonna take a ride up there.
when you get a chance, guys, you know, try one.
All right, guys. Final comments from Carlos after driving the 720. Talk to me, man.
Well, it is just an experience. You know, you don't forget driving it. It feels so good all the way around. Awesome car to drive. It's a driver's car, and like I said at the beginning, you know, great road handling manners, great shifting up and down, which has impressed the heck out of me. Plenty of power, linear throughout, all the way across. It's not that you get a sudden boost and then you go. No, it's linear. Where we want it, it gets you. Great brakes. They're not very grabby at the beginning, and you don't have to stab them either. So they're progressive, and knowing that they're carbon ceramic, they will stop you no matter what.
They will stop.
The visibility all the way around, I love it. You know, being such a big car and whatnot, you got access to the road in the front and getting a clear view, and where the position of the tires are. It makes you feel like the road is a track and you are on a track, and the way it responds on a track. You point it goes like a dart. It's a little bit noisy from the wind point of view because it's all aero and this is all carbon fiber, so it doesn't have the best isolation on it. But you don't buy these cars for isolation.
No.
You feel everything, and you wanna know everything. Every single rock on the road that spits, you hear at the bottom of the tub. It's all carbon, so.
But you hear the wind because it's going around you.
And not only around.
Not because it's creating like resistance.
And we got these channels right on the doors, feeding the engine on the back. A lot of wind being moved purposely where it's needed. That's very exciting from a design point of view, and an engineer's point of view. It's a dream, which is kind of cool to see. I was very, very pleased with the experience, and it's sad that I have to stop right now, but I can't be driving all day, you know. Gas and more gas and more gas, and I'll get in trouble.
We got other things to do, but
we got more fun.
It's great that you got to drive it, man, and that you're visiting and you can experience it. We might make some changes to the car because all you said might not be enough. Yeah.
Well,
so
we'll see.
Stay tuned. There might be some downpipes and maybe a tune, and then greatness will become insanity. So let's see how that goes. But yeah, Carlos, thank you for being here.
You're welcome.
Thank you for your opinions. This is you know, one of many other videos about this car. So stay tuned, guys. Remember to subscribe, follow Carlos. I'm gonna put his information below, and his car and his business. So take care, guys. See you next time.
See you guys.
All right.